Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am bringing you a Stitch Fix unboxing. You know, I don't know why I always do this part on camera when I can just do this part off camera. Okay, box is now open. Let's see what goodies we got. I got a little bundle. Here is my bundle. And you know I like to show both sides. Just rip the bag open like. Alright. First item. Let me think. What did I ask for this time? I asked for some work blouses and some dresses. I think I said no pants, no shorts. Yeah. And I don't see any pants or shorts in here. So, we're off to a great start. Here is the first top. Dress. This is a dress. It's long. Okay, what do we got going on over here? So let's. Alright, I'm not sure what this is. A long shirt or dress. We'll see. Second item. I can't get it together. Second item is a dress. I like the print. Oh, very cute. And this is the back. Okay, don't know if you can tell, but this is a burgundy color. Here is the next item. I thought it was ringing again. Here is the next item. It's, oh, very cute top. Isn't this cute? Very cute. And it ties here, which is in the back. Back looks the same as the front. Oh, okay. Then this feels really nice. I'm sorry, y'all. My husband just snuck up on me, making faces at me. I'm glad I didn't jump. Uh-oh. Thank you, babe. I'm glad I didn't jump on camera. Alright, so this is the next item. Oh, it's a cute dress. This is great. Let me make sure I show you the front. Alright, I'm having a hard time with this one. It's a little twisty like or something. Oh, here we go. Okay. This is the front. And then it's like that. Very cute. Very cute. Alright. And the last item. This has a weird feel to it. It looks, hold it up. It almost looks like a terry cloth, like a robe even. I can tell you now, I'm probably not gonna like this. But who knows? Okay, so yeah, it might be kind of cute. It's a top. And ties in the back like this. Okay. The material is like what you would feel on a robe, a terry cloth robe. And this is rose colored. Show you. Let me see if I can show this. better. You can't tell that color. I don't think you can. There we go. That's a little, see? Yeah. Okay. It's a little better. Alright, let's try this stuff on. So what did I have? 2, 3 dresses, 2 tops? Hold on. Alright. That means I can keep my pants on that I have on now. And I'll just do the top changes. Be right back. Alright, here we are back with the terry cloth light top. And it's okay. As you can tell, ties right here. As you can tell, it ties right here. I was talking and facing the other way. I'm assuming you guys didn't hear that. It's a stretchy material, and it does have a, you see on the inside, it has a lining. I don't know, it's very different. It's different. I don't know about this one. To me on camera, it looks like I'm just looking at white. So, you guys can't tell that it's the way the material is. Okay, well, I don't know. This is one I would really have to give some thought to. So this doesn't adjust. I can't slide. This is how it is. This part does not slide. But and neither does the back part. That doesn't slide either. We'll give this one some thought. Alright, this top is really cute. I like this one. It's a bit low in the front and it's a bit low in the back, and I don't like how it's so low right here. So even with a half bra, I think it might, it's just down too far. I do think that it's, where's the thing? Yeah, so it is adjustable. So I'm going to have to try this on again later when I have, nope, you can't slide this. This does not slide, so this does not tighten, and it's as tight as it can go, tied in the back. But it's really cute. Couldn't you see this with like a little pair of shorts, like some white shorts, or just some shorts that like just slightly creep underneath it? Very sexy. I think that'll be so cute. So I'm really gonna have to give this with some thought. I like it. This is so flowy. Alright. Yeah. I really like this one. Okay, y'all. If this is not the cutest little t-shirt dress, the pocket is from here down to here. Supersized, oversized pocket. And it's almost like in the middle, but off to the left. Let me back up. See how the side is cut up and then down? I really like that. So cute. I have my shoes on with it. Super nail. This is the cutest little t-shirt dress. I think it would look nice with heels, and it would look nice with flats. So you can dress it up or down. But I really like how, see how this, let's see if you guys can see that. See how that does that? I think that's really cute. That's a nice little touch of something different. And I really like how the pocket, you can't see the pocket too good because this is black. But it's, okay, here's my hand stuck in the pocket. That's how big the pocket is. That is so cute and different. I really like this one. Fits nicely around here. The back is just regular. Fits nice. I think this is a keeper. Alright, next dress. Okay, here is the next dress, which I also really like. The coloring. It is like a navy with a rose, tan, green, those other colors mixed in. Alright. The fit is nice. And I really like it. So, yeah, definitely going to have to check the price for this one. It's a great fit. I don't know whether to be happy or sad that I'm liking stuff. The only thing I didn't really, that I'm not really sold on was the pink top that felt like terry cloth. Alright, we've got one more dress to try on. Okay, next dress. Or the last dress, I should say. Like the pattern, very cute. Yep, very cute. Sleeves, I like 3/4 length. Well, this is actually longer than that. I don't know what you call this, but it's almost all the way down. So, I like this one, but the only problem with it is it's too tight in the arm area. When I put it on, I almost couldn't get over my big head. So it's I like the dress. This is a nice dress. I do like the dress, but it could be, I like it like 80%. So if I end up sending something back, hold on, I gotta take the shoes off. All right, let's go over some prices. First, let me say my total is $260 minus the 25% discount. If I keep everything, it's $65. So the total will be $195. All right. I need pictures to go with this, so I know this what. All right, let's start with the dress, the last one that I showed you that I still have on. This is the Anaisey jersey dress. I got to flip back and forth. So that one is in a size 2 petite, and the cost is $68. All right. So this rosy colored one that I said was like terry cloth, that one is called Aleana Jacquard Cotton Blend Halter Knit Top, and it is $54. This one here is called the Patterson Keyhole Halter Blouse by Lush, and it is $36. So that's a nice price. I like that. This dress is called the I didn't see it. I was like, wait a minute, it's not on here. It is the Amandine knit dress. Amandine by Kaileigh. It is, I don't know why I cannot see stuff when I'm looking for it. It is in a size small, and it's $48. So this one was a really nice dress. I really like this one a lot, and $48 is a pretty good price for it. And then the black dress that I tried on first, which was like my favorite. One of my favorites, because I have a lot of favorites in this box. That's the matte t-shirt knit dress, and it is a small petite, and it's $54. I would think it should have been more, like $44. But it's really cute. So, let me know your thoughts. Right now, I'm leaning towards keeping this one. That's all twisted up now. This one, this, and the black dress. So the one I have on, I like the one I have on, but the one I have on is $68. And then this thing, I'm going to try this on with something else. It might look cuter once I have it on with something else. Let me know what you think. But that one was, what did I say that was? I said that one was $54. So I'm going to work out the numbers, but if I get the 3 that I really like, would it be just as cheap to get the other ones as well? Because this dress, I do like this dress that I have on. I just need to probably get it in a bigger size because my arms feel it's a little tight. You know, it's not really. I mean, it's okay, but just a little bit looser might be nice. So, we'll see. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you next time. My next fix should be here in 3 weeks. And I have a mix and match box coming. I also have a trunk club coming, but we'll see. There's a lot of stuff coming. So I really got to figure out how to stretch my dollars if I'm going to be doing all of this. All right. Thank you, everybody. Hope you have a good day. Bye.